Mr. Scotty.
Yay.
Oh, this isn't a good one.
Nope. As careful as I was being, I gave myself extra material, traced myself out really good, started wrapping, it's looking beautiful, all the forms are there. The nozzle oversprayed and got it.
Damn it.
So, I mean, if it was in a spot that's not seeable, like back in here, I wouldn't worry because that spot's never seen.
Yeah, but that's right next to the
But
glass.
that's right in the window.
Yep. So now.
So it's got to come all back off, and I got to make another template and redo it. Yay.
It's all good. It'll be okay. Because we want perfection. Trust me, there's plenty of places around here
That would leave it, I know.
that would say, "Oh, it's fine." Like the people that did
Yes, correct.
the window switches in John's Imperial. Yeah. Oh, it's just molded like that. No.
No, it's not.
So Scotty's gonna peel this. Sad day. It looks good otherwise.
Yeah, it was coming out perfect.
So
I mean, all the lines were right and everything.
it was nice and crisp. Crisp.
Crisp.
Crisp.
It was moist.
I hope it wasn't moist.
God, I really did
At
pay
least you
attention.
glued it good.
Yeah.
All right, so that's gonna come apart. Scotty's gonna get the template out. He's gonna make another,
Yep, that's why. And I even said, I said, in case something were to happen.
which we've discussed. That's why you keep it, you bag it, and you tag it.
Yep. There's the small piece in the middle. Here's the piece that goes around the extra piece that's already done and good. And then here's the main piece.
Yeah, and that's why we keep it. And that's why all of these are going to be in a box in the trunk when the car is done. That way, there's always material templates.
Yep. God, I really did pay attention to everything. This is
This shows
really on
this
here.
shows how good you do it.
Yeah.
So Scotty's gonna get that off, get it cleaned, make another one, and maybe when he's halfway with wrapping, we'll come by.
We'll
and
do
get
an
it.
update video of it
come by and get a
looking like
video.
it's supposed to.
All right, it's okay.
I gotta laugh. I do. I gotta laugh. If not, I'm gonna get too stressed out. And
Scotty, it's
but
okay.
now I gotta get this all re-cleaned again, and that's gonna be the bitch.
You got this though. All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.